In primetime news this evening, we're going ahead. Prime Minister reveals a second phase of Ruthven Towers to begin soon. NWC responds to water shortage crises resulting from the Rio Cobre contamination, and why residents of a St. Mary community are fuming because of sand mining.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what measures can be implemented to prevent the contamination of the Rio Cobre. Now, you can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.